online class day 14. We have completed chapter 3, all the question answers. Today, let's start our class with grammar and usage. Page number 25. Here, it gives, look at this table, kinds of adverbs. Just we will go through this table. First one is type of adverb. Second column function. Third column adverbs and example. Okay. First one adverb of manner. Okay. Where will use? Function is tell us how to action is done. How the action is done. Adverb used regularly, attentively and sweetly. In this adverb, we will use in manner, type of manner. For example, Milkha Singh practice running regularly. Second one is time. When the action is done, type of adverb is time. Then, for the adverbs are using, for the timing we will use that tomorrow, today, yesterday, afterward, now, soon, later, early, ago, before. All these verbs adverb we will use. Example, soon I was running 400 meters in less than a minute. Third one is place. Okay, type of adverb. Place. Function, where the action is done. Where the action is done. Here we'll see the adverb. Here, there, everywhere, inside, outside, underneath, up, down. All this one is adverb. For example, while my colleagues relaxed in the evening, I would be outside in the ground practicing. This one is an example for the type of adverb place. Next one is frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency. It will use how often the action takes place. See the adverbs. Often, always, sometimes, never, daily, annually, every. Okay. For the example, see, as part of our training, we had to run 6 miles every day. That every is using here as a frequency, adverb of frequency. Next one is adverb of purpose. We'll see for what purpose the action is done. For what purpose the action is done. See adverb so that, for, to, in order to. See the example. In order to give me more time to practice, the commander relieved me of fatigue duty. Next one is condition. Adverb of condition. The condition under which the action will or should take place. See adverb. If, whether, unless. Example. If I wanted to represent my country, I would have to work very hard. Next. Reason. Adverb of reason. Why something happened. Why it is happened. Because, therefore, so, hence, as. See the example. I found it very easy to run a quarter mile because I had been running 6 miles every day. Last one is degree. Adverb of degree. Function. To what extent or how much an action is done. Adverb. Very, extremely, quite, truly, somewhat, almost. For example, see, I was quite overwhelmed by the attention that I received that night. We know that there are several kinds of adverbs. Words that give us more information about the action, or in other words, modify the verb. Adverb means the modifying the verbs. So, I hope you understood this table. With the help of this table, we will do the exercise. Complete the sentence with the correct adverb from the box. Use the question true to help you. Here we'll see the question and clues. He knew it would be difficult, but Tarun faced the challenge dash. Answer given here boldly. How did Tarun face the challenge? They are asking the question. Second question. The police dog at the crime scene raced away into the wood. Then it stopped dash in the middle of dash. There are giving two questions. How did the police dog stop? We are asking the question, then we will find out the adverbs. How did the police dog stop? Answer here. Then it stopped suddenly. Answer will be suddenly. In the middle of dash, middle of nowhere. Okay, third question. Our school was closed after the heavy rain. Dash, it was flooded. For finding out the adverb, we will ask the question. Why did the school close? Why? Answer will be because. Our school was closed after the heavy rain because it was flooded. Answer will be because. Fourth question. We love the outdoors. We go for a walk dash morning. Question C. How often do they go for a walk? Every morning. Okay, answer will be every. Next question C. Fifth question. The moment they found that the bag was missing, the search dart for it. The question C. Where did the search for the bag? Answer will be everywhere. Everywhere. They search everywhere for it. Next question. 6. It is dash common to see people talking on their phone as they walk on the street. See the question. To what extent do we find people using their phones? What will be the answer? Extremely. Answer will be extremely. Now we completed this exercise. Next we will go to the next exercise. Before that we see the definitions and explanation about the following exercise. Here we will read adverb of position. We are going to do the position. Adverb of position. I was given a perfectly balanced diet. He stared at me, then nodded and walked away briskly. Fortunately, I met Brigadier Vora at the time when I really needed to practice a lot. There are 3 examples and given. In 3 of these examples, how they use the adverb of position. The adverb of perfectly in sentence first is linked to the adjective balance. Okay, first exercise they are giving, it is a link to the adjective balance. Okay, next is it is an also adverb which modify adjective and it is position. I was given a perfectly balanced diet. Next is briskly. Adverb is briskly. The adverb of briskly in sentence second is linked to the verb walked. Okay, walk. Then in this case it occurred at the end of the predicate, but it can also occur before the verb when it is not or primary important to the sentence. Next is he stared at me, then nodded and briskly walked away. The third exercise, fortunately, is using here as an adverb. What is adverb fortunately? In sentence third, linked to, it is linked not to any particular part but to the whole of the sentence. Whole of the sentence. It makes a comment on what the whole sentence says, such as adverb called a sentence adverb. Is usually placed at the beginning of the sentence, but it can also be placed before the predicate or verb or at the end of the sentence. Okay. Next is they are just giving the box. Apparently, I had broken the record. I had apparently broken a record. I had broken the record apparently. The same way of writing, three way of using the adverb. We'll go to the next exercise B. Place the adverb in brackets in appropriate place with the sentence. There may be more than one correct position for some of them. Try and identify the kinds of adverb. We will do this exercise. Listen very carefully. First question, answer also given here. We have constructed another floor upstairs. Here we have constructed another floor upstairs. Adverb of place. They are giving adverb of place. Here we see Neha could captivate people with her storytelling. Answer, we had to use the always. We had to use the always. It's given Neha could always captivate people with her storytelling. After the could, you had to use always. Next, third one. The Shuklas moved house. Bracket last Sunday. We had to use the adverb last Sunday. I will read the answer. Last Sunday, the Shuklas moved house. In the beginning, in the starting, you had to write the adverb. The last Sunday. Last Sunday. Fourth one. We did not get any rest during the training program. Really. In brackets, they are giving the adverb really. You had to use like that. We did not really get any rest during the training program. After the did not say bad. Okay, after did not use the really. Next, fifth question. I threw the ball of paper but missed the waste paper basket. Two adverbs are there. You have to use carefully and narrowly. First, I will after the I, you have to use carefully. I carefully threw the ball of paper but missed the waste paper basket narrowly. Last में क्या आएगा? Narrowly. Next is phrase verb. I hope you understood this B exercise. Next, we will see the phrase verb. Word in use. Look at the highlighted words. The whistle blew and we set off. I took off my canvas shoes and run barefoot. I felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. Each highlighted phrase is a combination of a verb and the word of, and together they mean something. These highlighted words are phrasal verb. Here they are giving set off, took off, let off. This is a phrasal verb. Next we will do the exercise A. Complete the questions in each set with correct word from the box. You may have to change the forms of the word in some cases. First question I will read. Why has the picnic been dashed off until next week? Because of bad weather. What will be the answer in the box? I will say the answer call off. Answer will be call. C-A-L-L. Call. Next question. Why did the rescue team dash off the search? See the next sentence. Because it was dark and they could not see anything. Answer will be put off. P-U-T. Put. Put off the search. Third question. Why is the team so confident? It's because of their captain. He confidence has dashed off on them. Dash off on them. What will be the answer? Rub. R-U-B. Rub. Rub off on them. Fourth question. When is the match scheduled to dash off? At noon. What will be the answer? Kick off. Answer will be kick. Fifth question. Why is there no water supply in the tap? Because the water supply has been dashed off as the pipe has to be repaired. Answer will be shut off, S-H-U-P, shut off. I hope you understood this exercise. Next, we will go B. Complete the sentence with the suitable phrase from the test. First question, I will read. We had to find out the suitable words from the phrase from the chapter. After swimming for an hour every day, I would have a glass of mango juice, which was like that for me. In paragraph number 3, we will see, and there will be an answer. Answer will be a big preach. What will be the answer? A big preach, which was like a big treat for me. Second question. The captain decided that we would preach at night. The decision became the dash of our new adventure. Paragraph number 4. We'll see there. The captain decided that we would preach treat at night. The decision because the dash of our new adventure. What will be the answer? Starting point. Starting point of our new adventure. Next question. When I read about a teenager who climbed Mount Everest, it was my dash. I decided to become a mountaineer. Paragraph number 8. We'll see the answer is Eureka moment. Answer will be Eureka moment. My Eureka moment. Fourth question. I missed school for a week. When I returned the following week, catching up with work dash. What is the answer? Catching up with work consumed my time. Consumed my time. Next question. Gandhiji never allowed himself to give to defeat simply because he saw dash in every struggle. Paragraph number 90. Answer will be innumerable opportunities. Okay, he saw innumerable opportunities in every struggle. Okay, I hope you all understood this exercise. You have to do all this exercise in your book, textbook itself. Sure. Today I am going to bind up this class here. I hope you all are doing well and studying and memorizing and doing all the homework. All the best. God bless you.